Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get responses only in capital letters in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you need standardized formatting for names, acronyms, or any other data that must be in uppercase for consistency. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to create this form, as this will determine where your form responses are stored and who has access to them. After you've successfully logged in, you'll see your Google Forms dashboard. Look for the option that says blank form and click on it. This creates a fresh, new form from scratch, giving you complete control over every question and setting. You'll be taken straight into the form editor where you can start building your questions. Now you'll see a question box with a drop-down menu on the right side. Click on that drop-down menu and select short answer. This question type is perfect for collecting brief text responses like names, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Short answer fields allow respondents to type in their information directly. Next, click on the text that says Untitled Question at the top of the question box. This will allow you to edit the question text. Go ahead and type "What is your name?" ? This is the prompt your respondents will see, so make sure it's clear and straightforward. Here's where the magic happens. Click the three dots at the bottom right corner of the question box. This opens up additional options for customizing your question. From the menu that appears, select Response Validation. This powerful feature lets you set specific rules that responses must follow before they can be submitted. Once response validation is activated, you'll see new drop-down menus appear. Select Regular Expression from the first drop-down. Regular expressions are patterns that help you define exactly what kind of text input is acceptable. They might seem technical at first, but they're incredibly powerful for form validation. In the second drop-down that appears, select Matches. This tells Google Forms that the response must match the pattern you're about to define. It's the key to making sure only capital letters get through. Now comes the important part. In the pattern field that appears, type $open bracket $a -z \s close bracket $. This regular expression pattern specifically allows only uppercase letters and spaces, rejecting anything else including lowercase letters or numbers. The pattern ensures complete compliance with your capital letters requirement. In the third field below the pattern, type your custom error text. Something like "Please use capital letters only" works perfectly. This message will appear whenever someone tries to submit a response that doesn't match your pattern, clearly guiding them to correct their input. For extra clarity, click the three dots again at the bottom right of the question box and select Description. In the description field that appears, type "Please use capital letters only." This instruction appears directly under your question, making it immediately visible to respondents before they even start typing. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google form that only accepts responses in capital letters, ensuring consistent, standardized data collection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.